Alright, check this out. I've got a Volkswagen Tiguan with a Misfire. It's not setting a check engine light, but I can feel it stuttering every once in a while. So I'm going to change out the spark plugs. Let's get into it. Pull this cover off. It just comes right up. Just pull it up. You can see right here, these are the connectors for the coils. Now they're all just clipped in. There's a little tab right there. You got to push on that tab, sometimes using a straight blade screwdriver, pocket screwdriver, or even a pick, and you can release those. And you want to take all of those out for all the coils. And you can grab the coil, give it a twist. Those pull right out. Down there's the spark plug. You want to spray a little compressed air in there just so that you don't get it. If there's any dirt or debris in there, you don't want that falling into the cylinder. Just like that. It's good. Using a 5/8 spark plug socket and an extension. You can take it out. Pull that out. There's the old one. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so this is a spark plug tester, and this is the spark plug that seems to be failing. So in the tester, turn it on, you can see it's not even firing. It's a bad plug. And you just want to compare the spark plugs, make sure they look good. They're pre-gapped, so don't drop them. You can check them with a feeler gauge, but you don't really want to gap them. There's special gapping tools you can use, otherwise you're going to end up breaking the electrode. I just visually compare them just to make sure they look close, which they do. And carefully put the spark plug into the socket. And snug that down. You can torque those if you want to. Pull that out. And you can do the same with the other ones. Alright, those are all set. Now get these connectors all lined up. The coils. And lock those in place. And take the cover, line it up, and push it down. Alright, that's a quick and easy repair. To help me out, give me a thumbs up and check out some of my other YouTube videos right there and there. And if you need any of the tools or parts in this video, they will be linked in the description. Thanks.